Today we're going to be creating a simple PowerPoint presentation. To do this, click on PowerPoint in your Applications menu. That's the P at the bottom of your screen. Next, I want you to click on the PowerPoint presentation right here and open. First thing that's going to come up is a window, and it's going to show you your first slide. It automatically opens this first slide, and this is your title page. I want you to, before you do anything, save this as my first PP, which is PowerPoint, and I'd like you to put it in a new folder, and I want you to call that Presentations. Okay. And then save this, okay, as my first presentation. Okay, now click to add title. That's where you're going to be putting your title. If you want more than one line, you just hit return and you can type something else, which I don't. The next thing is you want to click to add a subtitle. Now that should be the end of page 1 or slide 1. The next thing is to add another slide. You can either insert new slide, and right here it's giving you a bulleted list slide. If that's not what you want, you can click on the slide itself, go to Edit, Cut. It gets rid of it completely. It tells you what it thinks you want. So when you click Next, it automatically puts the slide in that it thinks that you want in the order that shows in your formatting palette. That brings me to that subject. The formatting palette is on the left-hand side, the right-hand side of your screen. And you can add slides. Right here are your options, and there's plenty more. So I'm going to pick the one that they did, which is Add Bulleted List Slide. But you can do 2-column text slide, Add Table Slide, Add Text and Chart Slide, Add Chart and Text Slide, Organization Chart Slide, and Chart Slide. So those are your options. And by the way, a chart slide, you can put in a chart from your spreadsheet. But let's go ahead with Add Bulleted List and move the formatting palette aside. You can click here and type what you like. And here you would add your list. Notice that it automatically puts your capitals in for you. Just so you know, you can change your font by clicking here. And to do that, if you already typed, you have to highlight. You can change color and your styles. Okay, got all kinds of options here. Okay, well, that pretty much explains the basic idea. You can continue to add slides as I showed you just by clicking on one of these or insert. Just so you know, you can add a photograph. Let me just show you that real quick. Add clip art and text. Click here to add clip art, and it's going to ask you if you want to use this clip art right here. It brings it right up for you, and you can just click on it and insert. And then you have a format box that comes up that you can change things in your picture. Click here to add text. This is clip art. Be aware that you can also insert a picture instead by going to Insert Picture from File. That way you can actually pick a picture from your own photographs. So I'm going to pick one, and I'm going to put that in instead. And it's processing, and there it is. Okay. To get rid of an item, for example, I now have 2 pictures, so let me get rid of this. Click once on it, go to Edit and Cut, or open Apple X. Okay. And then I can put the picture I want right there. Save your work. And to view your slideshow, go to View, Slideshow. And it shows it to you. Click, and it shows you the next slide. When you get to the end of your show, click again, and it takes you out. So that's all for today. The next video will show you how to add pizzazz to your presentation. Thank you.